Yeah, today we are going to discuss about CIMA qualification, which is a professional qualification, and I'll be doing as a Q&A session. And please stay tuned until the end because there is a very valuable information that I have to share with you. So stay tuned. First question: what is CIMA? Chartered Institute of Management Accountants. What is management accounting actually? Actually, CIMA is a management accounting qualification in the first place. Now, I will let you know what is this management accounting qualifications. You might know what is financial accounting, right? Which is your the past data or past information you will bring to the present and you will report. That is financial accounting. It's about retrospective, but we are talking about prospective now. Management accounting means you're bringing your future to the present and reporting them. Now, that is management accounting and highly demanded skill in the current era. Second question, which is the recognition. How recognized CIMA is? CIMA, it's a global qualification. It's the world's number one management accounting professional qualification, in fact. You get the recognition more than 175 countries to be precise, including Sri Lanka. In Sri Lanka, there is a huge recognition for CIMA. I don't have to explain you about that. So much popularity gained in Sri Lanka. Yeah. So going further, by CIMA, you will become a global management accountant, not just a local management accountant. What is this global recognition? The ability to do the qualification is to study, to do the exams, and to do jobs. You can do these three in more than 175 countries. Third question, it's about the duration. How long you have to spend to complete CIMA? Basically, there are 4 levels. Each level contains with 4 subjects. There are 16 subjects to complete. If you properly followed your classes and properly did your exams, technically you can complete CIMA within 2 years' time. Question number 4, which is the structure. CIMA structure is pretty basic and simple. You have 4 levels. Each level you have 4 subjects. First level we used to call it certificate level. Second level, operational level. Third one, managerial level. And fourth and the final one, strategic level. So first level, the subjects are economics, management accounting, financial accounting, and corporate ethics and business law. Those are the 4 subjects that you have in your first level, which is the certificate level. Second one, operational level. In fact, from operational level to managerial and strategic level, you have the same set of subjects. I'll tell you, there are 3 subjects, which is E, P, and F. What is E? Enterprise, which is like a theory-based subject like business studies. P, performance. In another word, management accounting. F, obviously, finance, financial accounting. So in operational level, we used to call them E1, P1, and F1. Once you're done with these 3 subjects, then you have a case study based on all 3 subjects. We used to call that operational level case study. Then once you completed that, you will be going to the third level, which is managerial level. In managerial level, you have the same subjects E2, P2, F2. E1 becomes E2, P1 becomes P2, and F1 becomes F2. Same subject from one level to another level, it will get with advanced. Simple as that. Once you completed that, there is a case study again. We used to call it MCS, managerial level case study. Once you completed the entire 4 subjects, you can go to the final level E3, P3, F3, and finally SCS. What is it? Strategic case study. So entirely, you have 4 levels, each level 4 exams. You have 16 exams to complete. That's it. Fifth question, entry requirements. What are the entry requirements actually you need? Previously, like before 2010, you had like you have to do your A levels and you have to have certain results. But now for CIMA, only one entry requirement, which is your age. You have to be 16 or plus. So that's the only entry requirement that you have. Number 6, exemptions. Basically, there are qualifications where you can do apart from CIMA. If you have done any, sometimes if it's related to finance or management, it can be a degree, it can be a professional qualification, you might have exempted. That means I'll give you an example. After O levels, most of these students start double AT. If you have completed double AT, you don't have to do CIMA first level, which is the certificate level. You can straight away start from operational level. So there are multiple qualifications are there. You might have done one of that. So you can get these exemptions. For that, you have to apply CIMA Global, and they will get back to you within 3 to 4 working days, and they will let you know whether you have exemptions or not. If you have, how many subjects that you will get released, also and so forth. So this is about exemptions. Question number 7, it's about your exams. CIMA exams, it's not complicated in another word. So you have two types of exams. One is OTQs, the other one is case studies. What is this OTQ? In a paper, if you are doing a MCQ type question, that is MCQ, right? So the same thing, if you are doing online, we used to call it OTQ, objective test questions. And OTQ exams, there are two other characteristics. One is online, obviously. The other one is on demand. What is this on demand means? You can do your exams at any given time, at any given point. If you are ready with your subject, if you have studied, if you are ready to do your exams, you can even book your exams tomorrow and do the exams. If you are not ready, if you are like thinking, I need to prepare more, I need one more week, yes, you can do your exams next week, next month. It's totally up to you. So that is OTQ. The other type is case studies. When I am explaining about the structure, I explained you there are 16 subjects. Out of those 16 subjects, there are 13 subjects and 3 case studies. So all those 13 subjects will be OTQ. That means eventually online MCQ papers, which is only 2 hours. Then and there you will get the results. But there are 3 case studies. 3 case studies are different. Those are structural papers. You get 4 questions, 3 hours, 45 minutes each, and those are not on demand. You can't do whenever you want to do. Every once in 3 months, you get a chance to sit. There will be a particular date, particular time. The entire country who have applied for that session will be there to do the exams. So the exam windows are February, May, August, November. Those are the 4 exam windows. Once in every 3 months, you get a chance. If you missed one session, that means you don't have to wait another year. You have to wait only 3 months. So that is a huge advantage. Question number 8, which is another main factor, the cost. How much do you have to spend? There are 2 types of cost that you have to incur. One is for the local tuition providers. The number 2, second one will be the UK body, CIMA body, that you have to pay in sterling pounds for their exams and for the registrations. So there are 2 types of payments. Now I'll explain you about the local tuition providers. As an average, you have to spend somewhere around 200,000 to 250,000 to complete the entire lectures for 2 years. This is an average amount, all right? In the other hand, UK payment, the second type of payments, for your exams, you have to spend around 2,000 to 2,200 pounds, sterling pounds maybe. That's the amount as an average. So that's your total cost there. Question number 9, another valuable question. Your job market. Actually, a management accountant to be a CIMA student is a management accountant to be. If you have become a management accountant, you are an all-rounder. You will be considered as an all-rounder. I will put it like this. You have the global recognition. The qualification is highly ranked. So you are a highly demanded person. But what sort of a job that you can apply? There is not a second doubt, second question about the recognition and the quality and the opportunities that you get through CIMA. But what sort of a job that you can apply. In an organization, except IT, you can apply for any department. Hear me out. You can apply for any department. Yes, you hear it properly. Correct. Operations, management, sales, marketing, HR, finance, regardless, you can apply for any department. CIMA is an all-round qualification, except IT. That's the technical side. If you have IT knowledge, there won't be a single department that you can't apply. So this is CIMA. So now we'll talk about why would you select Achievers to do CIMA. Very simple reasons and very effective reasons. 20 years of experience in CIMA, particularly as a professional qualification, Achievers has done a great service for CIMA, lecturing for the past 20 years. And the lecture panels, the stability of the lecture panels runs down for more than 6 to 7 years. The stable and the same lecture panel is running. Why is that? Because the lecture panel is so good. What is the reflection? The pass rates and the prizes. We have produced 24 world prizes during this period and 244 island prizes. By far, this is the highest. And there are more factors. We have produced 24,000 students through Achievers. And the flexible payment method, multiple membership, normal membership, there are platinum membership, you can go for the installment payments, so that luxury also there. And even further, the friendly environment, the culture is set as such. The lecture panel and the employees, it's not that strict and kind of high formality. No, they are very friendly. You can chat with them, you can have ideas with them, you can talk to your lecturers one to one. So that flexibility is there. And individual attention, a very important matter. We have a separate team, we call it SDL, student development lecturers. These are assistant lecturers of the main lecture panel. You can apply for SDL sessions and have one-to-one session, your SDL lecturer, yourself and your doubts only. This is for free. This is for free. You don't have to pay for that. And there is something else. We call it fast track. This is for the one who has this accounting knowledge in advance. They don't have to spend 6 long months to complete the first level. So where they can complete it within 3 months, that option also here. And the study materials and the way we conduct the classes, it's not just online or it's not just physical. You have the option in the same class. You have the option of physical, online. On top of that, we will be providing the recording. You don't have to request that. Weekly, we will upload the recordings as well. So 1 week you can come on physical, the other week online, the other week even though you attended or not, you will be getting the recordings as well. You will miss nothing. So these are the advantages that you get through Achievers. Reached the end of this video and I have promised you initially there is something special that I have to announce. Yes, Achievers, we are willing to provide attractive scholarship to you, the one who is watching this video. How are you going to apply for that? In the description, there is a link. Fill that. One of our counselor will get back to you and explain about the scholarship and other facilities that you're gonna get. All right, our session is done, but I would love to take this opportunity to wish you all the best for your future.